All right, the next built-in component is the Joomla update component. Now, because we just installed Joomla, well, of course, our site is up to date. So I thought I'd take you over to a site and show you how it works. When you have a Joomla update, it will tell you on your control panel that there's an update available. One of the really great things about Joomla 3 is that it's very helpful and tells you every time something is out of date. Well, this site happens to be on Joomla 3.4.8. Now, one huge caveat here. Take a backup of your site before you ever do a Joomla update. I can't stress that enough. I can't remember the last time I had a problem with a Joomla update, but that doesn't mean that it's never going to happen. Something could go wrong, so make sure you have a working backup before you do what we're about to do. And I realize your sites are probably up to date, so just follow along with me. There are two ways to install this: write the files directly or write the files using FTP. You need to have that set up in your global configuration for that to work, and frankly, I never use it. I always just write the files directly. Once again, I've done the backup. Click Install the update. Joomla is going to download the files and process them all right before our eyes. This doesn't take long. Even on major updates, you can see we've downloaded 9 meg worth of files. It's extracted to 26 meg, 6,352 files were extracted, and Joomla is now doing the database updates, if any are necessary, and overwriting all of the files. One thing to remember, you don't ever leave that page until you get your success message. New since Joomla 3.5.1 came out is this permission to collect some basic statistics. The Joomla project just wants to know how the software is being used. No personal information will ever be sent, no identifying data of any kind, just information about Joomla. So I'm going to encourage you to just click Always, simply so that the project can benefit from all of the statistics out there. And that's it. Updating a minor version of Joomla like this is that simple. Now, going from, say, 2.5 to 3.5 or even 1.5 to 3.5 is much more difficult. It's way beyond the scope of this course. But if you're on, say, Joomla 3.4.8 like we were, going to 3.5.1 is, well, just a matter of clicking the button. Of course, after you've done a backup.